Hi, my name is Darlene Bellis and I live in the town of Fishkill. My grandson Malachi has been coming to Just for Kicks since April. Just for Kicks has done a wonderful job with his self-esteem. When we first came here, he was a very angry little boy, confused, and since we've been here, he is loving, respectful, he enjoys life, he's full of energy, he's just a wonderful child to be with and to play with, and I owe it all to Just for Kicks because they've shown him self-discipline, self-respect, how to handle himself when he's angry, and it's just, they've done a wonder with him, and I appreciate Just for Kicks, and he will continue to come as long as God wills.